Level up your campsite cooking. Prepare to have your camping world flipped upside down. Meet your new adventure buddy, the SHIWAGIN wooden Overland camping slide-out kitchen. Imagine pulling up to a campsite, and bam, in just under a minute, you've transformed your SUV into a 5-star wilderness diner. Now, that's magic. Say adios to makeshift meal preps. With its ingenious slide-out design, you'll be chopping veggies on a sturdy wooden platform and firing up your 2-burner stove before you can say s'mores. Everything has a spot, from your trusty skillet to your spice stash, thanks to the integrated drawer. Goodbye, lost spatula. Ever tried cooking on a hill or sandy beach? Piece of cake, this unit laughs in the face of rough terrain. Mounted on your vehicle, it stands ready to cater to your culinary whims wherever you roam. What's better? No drilling or DIY skills needed. Just strap it in, slide it out, and become the camp chef you were meant to be. Excited yet? Don't just take my word for it. Get that outdoor kitchen glow. Hit the link in the description and unleash adventure with SHIWAGIN. Let's make camp cooking epic.